Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. Are you guys doing good? All right, hopefully you are doing good. You should be feeling good because you're learning something really cool that is going to take you very far in life, believe it or not. Anyway, so we're going to handle the registration here, and we're going to do this by parts because registering a user requires a little bit of code, and we got to put a couple different things in there that are going to be brand new for those of you that are following my tutorials on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, make sure that you got your files. It should be on the description. I changed some of the things in there, but don't worry about it. I will always let you know when I change something. But yeah, just go ahead and make sure that you have the registration, which is what we're going to be using, the register file, register.html. Make sure you have that. So when you go to that endpoint, you should have something like this. All right, just make sure you have a form, and then we can take care of business. All right, are you guys ready? All right, let's do this. So right here, we created this route in the beginning of the course, and it's time for us to start working on it. So let's go see if we have everything we need here. From Flask, I'm gonna import a function here called request. And let's go into register right here. Let me make sure, sorry about that. I say me. I was stuttering there for a minute, right? Right here, there we go. Let's make this a little bigger here. All right, so what I want to do here, super simple. First, we're going to pass in methods here, the methods that we are willing to accept here on this route. We're going to accept the get request, and we're going to accept the post request. All right, I don't know why I'm stuttering here. I think it might be the coffee. Anyway, hopefully you guys don't pick up that habit, and it's hard when you are programming not to pick up coffee. Anyway, so we're gonna use request here, and we're gonna access the method property here, and we're gonna say, if this is equal to post, then we want to take care of some business here. So let's go ahead and take care of some business. We're gonna pull the username from the request form. We're gonna use this get method like we always do. User name, just like that. We're gonna do the same thing. So let me go ahead and copy this guy a couple times. There we go. That way it makes it a little easier for us. And this would be the email. And this would be the password. There we go. Password. Alrighty. Now, for those of you that are thinking, how in the world do I go from one side to the next? And believe it or not, yes, I have beginners here because this is a beginner's course in Flask and programming too. Anyway, so to go from one side to the next here, what I do is I press the command key on my Mac and I do the arrow keys. So I leave it pressed, the command, and go to one side to the next. All right? Simple as that. And now to do like one word, the whole word, I do the Alt or the Option, which is the same thing, and I do the arrow key, and it goes to the next word, all right? In Windows, I'd suggest probably is the Control key or something. But anyway, so once I have that, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna check to see if this actually works. So let's just put some dummy stuff here, and let's just see the username, the email, the password, and confirm, which is the password. It basically is the same thing. We're just gonna make sure that they're both the same when we are doing validation, okay? Then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return an F string here, and I'm just gonna say received data. Okay, and I'm just gonna put some random stuff here, like maybe the email. Maybe I'll close this. Let's just leave it like that, it's fine. And then outside here, in the same level as my if statement, I'm going to return render template. As a matter of fact, I already have it down here, right here. All right. Let's see if we get anything, right? Let's go back here. Let's refresh, and our app just broke. And let me make sure that this, instead of method, it says methods with an S, all right? And save your file. Very easy to make a mistake when you have so many things in your head, right? Let's go here and refresh. Now you can see the form. Let's just type a username, put TPM here, TPM@Gmail, and some random password. Simple as that. And create account. And you can see now that it says received data. So it's working, right? Our form is actually wired into our backend, and it's working. So that's the first step. This is the first part of this, of registration. And I'll see you in the second part, or the next part, in the following lecture. Guys, be consistent. Keep doing it. Even if you don't want to, believe me, it's going to pay off. I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Keep it up.